अस्सलाम वालेकुम, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल। क्या है आज का बड़ा सवाल? दिल में आपके क्या मैथ, साइंस और इंग्लिश का है मलाल? ज्वाइन करें एसीसी, आजमाए खुद ब खुद कमाल। Friends, my name is Abhinandan and I'm an international tutor for math, science and English. I coach students not only who are from India but also from Canada, Texas, UAE, UK, Saudi and Singapore. Over these 20 years of experience, I have observed that somehow, even though when children are highly talented, they have the precision in them, they have the IQ levels, in spite of that, somehow their scores are not as per their competence level. Why does this happen? Have you ever observed or have you ever thought over it? This is happening because somehow the children are being sort of promoted to the superior grades without getting their foundations of maths and science cleared. Even today, my class 12 students sometimes, quite a lot of times, fumble with LCM. Imagine 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4, they are not able to do it. Why does this happen? They are not able to divide some rational numbers. It happens because of no foundations being strengthened over these years of academics. Five, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, all these years are very critical. Very, very, very critical. So, if you are looking for a personal coach for your child for exclusively for math, science, and English, your search ends here. Let me know wherever you are, whatever grade your child may be, and whatever curriculum he or she may be following. My guidance would be available to your child. I'm coaching children 24/7, and I look forward to see that your child's potential is uncovered. What is happening? Children are shy. Many a times they don't reveal their sort of issues to their to the parents or the what do you say, the teachers, where they are missing. They feel shy in front of the whole class. They feel hesitant. If I ask some doubt to the teacher may feel I'm a dumb person, or they may feel that why I'm on. So this is what I tell the children: don't fear when I'm here. So let me know if you require any academic coaching for your child. I'm at your service. Your search ends here. To sum it all, whether you're an ACC or across the sea, for any academic coaching, count on ACC. Do like and subscribe to my channel and spread this word to the entire world that coaching is available here throughout your maths and science from class 6 to class 12. Over these 6 years of your career are very critical, and I request you to please like and subscribe to my channel, and do comment and do let me know what kind of coaching would you require. Do join my live sessions. Let me know when you want me to come on live a particular time. I'll be available for your service. And thank you so much for your patience. Have a wonderful day ahead. Hasta la vista.